Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's our question is how many handshakes will be there if five persons are shaking hands with each other? Let's take a practical view of this problem. Without using the formula for this question, we can use the practical view of this question to understand it very well how it works. So first of all, we are given five persons. Suppose that I will mention here. Suppose A is the first person, B is the second person, C is the third person, D is the fourth person, and E is the fifth person, and all of them have to shake hands with each other. So first of all, let's start from A. Suppose that A is shaking hand with B, same A is shaking hand with C, A is shaking hand with D, and shaking hand with E. So let's count these handshakes. How many handshakes are these? So A with B is considered to be one. A with C, this is another handshake. A with D is another handshake. So and A with E is another handshake. So these are four handshakes done by A. Let's take A out from the list and start from B. Now B is shaking hand with C, B is shaking hand with D, and B is shaking hand with E. So starting from, so the total number of handshakes by A are 4. Now uh, for B, the total number of handshakes will be B with C is the one handshake, B with C is one, B with D is another one. So number of handshakes by, suppose A has done 4 and B has done 3. So B has 3. Now start taking the B also out from the list. There are remaining only C, D and E. Now for C, the number of handshakes will be only 2, C with D and C with E. So these will be the 2. So for C, the number of handshakes will be 2. And for D and E, there will be the last handshake remaining, that will be done by D and E. So D and E, that will be remaining, the last handshake. D and E together is 1. So the total number of handshakes in this question will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So the total number of handshakes will be 10. Now if we will use the formula for this question, we can use the formula. Suppose that I will use the formula. The formula for such types of questions is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So n, the number of persons here are 5, so n is 5. So our question will be 5 into 5 minus 1 upon 2. So it will be equal to 5 into 4 upon 2. So that will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So our answer will be 10. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.